Hello everyone, welcome to another video on GitHub Copilot. It's been more than 3 months since this GitHub Copilot came for this beta and it's providing so accurate results, right? Actually, it's my third video on experimenting GitHub Copilot. In my last video, we have tested this Copilot with some frequently asked interview questions like reversing a string, finding a max value from an array, sorting an array in descending and ascending order. In case if you missed to watch this video, I will drop this link in the descriptions. Please go ahead and do watch because it will be a good start for you. So today we are going to experiment this GitHub Copilot with the HackerRank challenge. So when it comes to HackerRank challenges, it's not easy as people think, right? So let's check one challenge in a beginner level. So I found this challenge. It's regarding this 2D array in data structures and algorithms. So let's go through this question. So basically there will be a 6x6 2D array. So and there's a hourglass pattern which will be iterating through all the columns and rows to find some sum values, right? So let's see this example. Here we have 6x6 2D array. If you have to apply this hourglass pattern here. So if you apply the hourglass pattern here, this all 7 nines will become right. So the sum of these values is minus 63, same as it will be iterating through all the columns and rows. So you will be getting this an array. So you have to find the max value from here. So here the max value is 28. So you have to return the max value from the summarized array, right? So that's the questions. So yes, sample input and output. Okay, let's go to the coding. Okay, let me create a new file here, quiz1.js. So let me copy this code and paste it into this new JavaScript file. So yes, so I have to write my solution inside this function, right? Since we have these meaningful comments and the meaningful function names, I think GitHub Copilot will give us the right solutions. Let's see how it goes. So yes, we got the suggestion from GitHub Copilot. Let's see how it goes. So I'm accepting this solution. Let me copy this logic and paste into this HackerRank code place, and let me run my code. So test, yes, it's pretty much worked well. We got passed output 19, expected output 19. Let's test this test case 1, expected output 13, output 13. So this solution is working fine. So submit the code. So I never thought like this will be this much of intelligent. Okay, all of our test cases got passed, and yes, yeah, it's been accepted. So I have earned some points with the help of GitHub Copilot. So yes, so that's all for today. In my next video, we can pick some intermediate level questions and experiment with GitHub Copilot. So if you have any specific requirements like testing a bubble sort, a quick sort, something related to that, please drop in the comment. I will have a look and I will try my best to do a video for that. So thank you very much for joining. Stay tuned.